Hi, my name is Varsha Rathor, and along with my teammates Parth, Nikhil, and Micah, we were working on the MLH Fellow Introducer bot. So, awkward icebreaker questions and standard statements as conversation starters have been used for way too long in the past few months. If one of us wants to get to know another one of the MLH Fellows while completing a task and just without disturbing them, the MLH Fellow Introducer bot is the best solution. Say Nikhil and I are working on a project, and I kind of remember what his favorite programming languages are, but I'm not too sure. And I want to delegate a task to him, but I'm not aware of whether that task would be perfect. So what I can do is inside a common Discord server that both of us are in, I can say something like at Nikhil, mention him, and then say, would you be able to complete this task? Once I send that message, our bot will automatically shoot out a whole bunch of information, including his name, pronouns, geographic location, favorite programming languages, and much more, all stored in a secure cloud database. From that, I can easily say, oh, Nikhil wants to be working on Python programs. All right, so in the future, I'll just give it to him, like give those kind of projects to him. Not only will I learn about programming languages, I'll just learn about his personality. And this way I get to learn more about him without constantly disturbing him. And this bot is meant to help you break the ice in any Discord server or channel you're invited to. And MLH Fellows can begin interacting with the bot as soon as it's invited. So because the bot provides the ability for our fellows to store information that I've mentioned before. Now, this solution is a little bit unique than existing solutions because it's information that's presented to you immediately and right under the message. It's not more spam or more pop-ups or more clicks or anything. All you have to do is mention someone and it's going to show up right there, and it's very efficient. Not only that, you're not constantly disturbing another fellow or constantly disturbing a mentor or something. All you have to do is mention them and the information will show up right then and there.
Okay, here's a demonstration of our bot's basic functionality. So if you want info about one of the fellows that's in your Discord server, you can type the info command. So say I want info about Nikhil, I'll just mention him, and then the bot will give me a nice summary of the information that he's entered. So his name, pronouns, pod, favorite languages, and some other links like his GitHub and Calendly. And if I just wanted to schedule a meeting with him, I could just get his Calendly link here. And then if I want to edit some info of my own so people can use the info command on me, I could use the edit command. And let's say I want to change my name to just my first name. And there we go. And we can see that it changed. And if you want information about multiple fellows, you can type in multiple mentions here, and we'll give you summaries for all of them.
Hello everyone, I'm Parth. I will be talking about the technologies that we use in this project. We were told to utilize the technologies that we will be working on during our fellowship. So we concluded using Python as our main backend language. So everything is basically written in Python. With conjunction to that, we also utilized discord.py, which is simply a Python library that is modern, easy to use, and an async ready API wrapper to basically handle all of the Discord bot logic. To store all the user data, we ended up going with Firebase, which is a real-time database, which is also NoSQL, cloud-hosted database, which stores the data in a key-value pair, so kind of like in a JSON format, and it provides real-time synchronization, is scalable, secure, and flexible.
As for what's next for the MLH Fellow Introducer bot, we first want to mention that it's in a really early stage right now. We have a couple functions like viewing your own profile or viewing other people's profiles, editing a fellow's profile, and also scheduling times to meet with fellows. But outside of that, we'd also love to add tons more functionality to make sure that this is really an interactive bot that can do quite a number of things, like playing mini games. Let's say we want to develop a virtual way to play werewolf online, or tic-tac-toe, or chess, just to maybe have fellows interact with each other and break the ice in more social events. We also want to look at refactoring the profile creation process, as well as writing robust unit tests and setting up automatic deployment via GitHub Actions. And lastly, we kind of want to look into integrating the introducer bot with other MLH fellowship server bots. For example, how can we integrate this with the time bot to make sure that every fellow knows exactly when other fellows' availability is? How can we develop a way to implement GitHub, the GitHub Lines bot with, or integrate that with our MLH fellow introducer bot? How can we bring more icebreakers, or tell jokes, or provide quotes of the day, things like that? So at the end of the day, we really look forward to getting all of you to use the MLH fellow introducer bot, have fun with it, play with it, and we really enjoy seeing where you'll go with this. And we hope that if you have any suggestions, please let us know. But thank you very much for listening to our presentation today. We're team 2 in pod 4.2.0, and we're excited to present the MLH fellow introducer bot. Thank you.